Hello, I'm Tara Scubella, guide and founder of Earth Tantra, and I am so excited to share this year's Earth Tantra theme with you. Last year's theme was Grow Wildly Rooted, of course, very aligned with Earth Tantra. And this next year's theme is a little bit different. I want you to know that I'm coming to you from my home here at Raven Wild Farm. For those of you who have been here for a retreat in the past, the little views behind me, right? Grand Mesa probably looks familiar, and maybe hopefully tuning into this video, you are getting those warm, fuzzy, cozy feelings of the magic that you have experienced here at Earth Tantra Outdoor Retreat Center and Raven Wild Farm in the past. So this year's theme is also aligned with the Chinese New Year, which begins on January 29th this year. For those of you that know me well, the Chinese New Year and Zodiac has a very special place in my heart connected to my daughter. And so this year's theme is uncoil your magic. So leaning into dancing with your snake, with transformation, with the shedding of the skins, and weaving in the magic of the snake into all of your essence, all of your tantric essence this year, from pleasure and sensuality, sexuality, to the way that you breathe, to the way that you move, to the way that you eat, to the way that you become intimate with all of life. And so I invite you this year to consider growing with Earth Tantra even more, or perhaps signing up for your first event online or in person as we uncoil the transformation of our snakes this year and we dance with our inner essence, all of our essences. So, if you are new to Earth Tantra or you would like to connect or talk, please, I invite you to schedule a 15 to 30-minute free discovery session. Link is below. Otherwise, I hope to see you on an online course or an in-person retreat. There's openings for all of our retreats and events so far, except for the Art of Loving. That particular retreat did sell out the other day. So I wish each of you blessings and transformation and shedding of your skins and excitement around your pleasure and sensuality as we take new form this year in 2025. All right. Many blessings and hope to see you.